Experiencing issues with FaceTime notifications not working on your iPhone can be quite frustrating, as it may lead to missed calls and messages. This problem might occur due to notification settings, network issues, or app-specific settings. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to resolve the FaceTime notification issue. Let's get started. Before you start, swipe down to Control Center and ensure to turn off Do Not Disturb under Focus Mode. Turn off Low Power Mode. Turn off Silent Mode. Solution: check notification settings for FaceTime. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and tap FaceTime. Tap Notifications. Ensure that Allow Notifications are turned on. Choose your preferred alert style, banners, alerts, or none, and ensure that you selecting sounds from sound setting and enable badges. Tap Show Preview. Set this to Always. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Allowing FaceTime to refresh in the background can improve notification performance. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Ensure Background App Refresh is enabled for Wi-Fi and cellular data, and make sure FaceTime is toggled on. Solution 3. Offload FaceTime. If there is an issue with the app's data, offloading it can help. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Tap Offload App, then confirm the action. After offloading, reinstall FaceTime from the App Store if necessary. Solution 4. Reinstall FaceTime. If the issue persists, try reinstalling FaceTime. Tap and hold the FaceTime apps. Delete this from your iPhone. Open App Store. Look for FaceTime. Install it again. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Network issues may affect FaceTime notifications. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your iPhone to restart. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the FaceTime notifications issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.